Every masterpiece begins the same way, with a blank page, a single line, and a dream.
മോളെ വെറുതെ പടം വരച്ചിരിക്കാണ്ട് പോയി പഠിക്കാൻ നോക്ക്.
But what if one drawing could change your entire life? Because in the right place, a drawing becomes a structure, an idea becomes form, and imagination becomes reality.
ഇന്ത്യയുടെ മിക്കവാറും ലോകത്തിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ രാജ്യങ്ങളുടെയും GDP-യിൽ വലിയ കോൺട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന മേഖലയാണ് ജെം ആൻഡ് ജ്വല്ലറി സെക്ടർ. ഇന്ത്യയിൽ പ്രത്യേകമായിട്ട് തന്നെ ഇന്ത്യയുടെ GDP-യുടെ ഏതാണ്ട് 7% കോൺട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന മേഖല ജെം ആൻഡ് ജ്വല്ലറി സെക്ടറാണ്. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ ഈ മേഖലയിൽ അത് പഠിക്കാനും പഠിപ്പിക്കാനുമുള്ള സംവിധാനമില്ല എന്നുള്ളതൊരു വലിയ കുറവായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്ത് അങ്ങനെയാണ് IGJക്ക് രൂപം നൽകിയത്.
IGJ offers an inspiring environment where creativity meets focus.
ഡിസൈനിങ് പഠിക്കുന്ന ഒരു വിദ്യാർത്ഥി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡിസൈൻ മേഖല തേടി വരുന്ന ഒരു വിദ്യാർത്ഥിയെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം അവൻ സാധാരണഗതിയിൽ ഒരു ഡിസൈനർ ആകുക എന്നതിനപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് വരക്കാൻ പഠിക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സ്കെച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പഠിക്കുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ CAD ഡിസൈൻ പഠിക്കുക എന്നതിനപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് ക്രിയേറ്റീവായിട്ട് ചിന്തിക്കുകയും അതിൽ തന്നെ പുതിയ ഡിസൈൻ, പുതിയ കാലത്തിൻ്റെ ഡിസൈൻ ലോകത്തിന് പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തി കൊടുക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു പ്രൊഫഷണലായിട്ടാണ് അദ്ദേഹം പുറത്തിറങ്ങുന്നത്.
Located within Kerala government's Inkal Educational Park, our residential campus becomes a second home for aspiring designers. At IGJ, learning goes far beyond classrooms. Students gain extensive hands-on experience through our manual design studio, CAD lab, CAM lab, Gemology lab, and manufacturing lab.
The jewelry industry is growing rapidly. Design, technology, craftsmanship and innovation are becoming more important than ever before. Today, many youngsters are aware about the fashion designing courses. However, most are only aware about the traditional fashion designing courses. At IGJ, we create something different. IGJ is a professional design institute. We focus only in jewelry designing.
Guided by highly qualified faculty with both academic excellence and industry experience, every student learns from professionals who understand the evolving world of jewelry design.
If the design is manufacturable and if the design is sellable, it is basically a good design. That is what we actually train students on. Now, the concept is very simple. Any designer can draw a design and it need not be manufactured because there might be manufacturing glitches for this. At IGJ, we have a 360-degree angle wherein we start with the designing process, we finish with the final product or the final output. We also hand over students the beautiful finished products that they have drawn. So this is something that is very unique that happens in our campus.
Students from across India, especially from South India, come together at IGJ, creating a vibrant community united by creativity and ambition. As a dedicated institute specializing exclusively in jewelry design and allied studies, IGJ offers a uniquely focused learning experience.
To learn anything, you need a positive atmosphere. So, at Institute of Gems and Jewellery, we are always careful for designing an atmosphere which will boost the creativity and the confidence of the students who are studying here.
The best way of solving a problem is only when we can physically sit with it. Thus, the most innovative and creative designs comes out only when we choose to sit with it manually with a pencil paper. And that is why, because of that, the only reason manual jewelry design still holds a very important position in jewelry industry today.
Observation on anything will make to see you hidden details, and it will take you to different kind of ideas, different kind of unique thoughts that we can convert into a beautiful jewelry pieces.
At IGJ, students are trained to use technology empowers creativity and industry success.
Just knowing how to draw a design is not enough. You need to understand how to place things in the exact order.
Our goal is not just to teach software or designing techniques. We aim to build skilled, creative, industry-ready professionals who can confidently contribute to the jewelry industry.
Jewelry retail industry goes far beyond classroom learning. Here we are committed to shaping students into a confident professionals by developing their communication skill that will help them to interact with the customers with clarity, confidence, professionalism and trust.
We always try to make future-ready careers in global jewelry sector.
And as well as students can get hand-on experience in jewelry tools and in machineries which is used in modern industry.
We continue to set boundaries, shape professionals and also build leaders of tomorrow.
Gemology is where beauty meets science. If anyone wants to be different, Gemology will give you a unique experience.
Every placement is a story of determination, growth and achievement. My primary responsibility is to build and maintain a strong relationship with companies and industrial partners.
Excellence is measured by where our students go next. With a strong placement record, IGJ graduates have joined renowned brands, including Tanishq, Kalyan Jewellers, Malabar Gold and Diamonds, Senko and Claris. Many leading companies return to our campus year after year, reflecting the trust the industry places in IGJ talent. Hear that one line. You drew without thinking was never just a line. Institute of Gems and Jewellery, where ideas become design and design becomes opportunity.